USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join via Telegram. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers that perform right here. Sign up with these brokers. When you are going to trade with my signals, I want you to have a separate broker account. Go and start demo account with these brokers and join Telegram, subscribe, like, do all of that. It's your job, okay? Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. What do we have in weekly? We are going up. So new low is not created yet. This week has started blue in weekly, but we are in the downtrend. So coming back to daily, we are still in downtrend. This high is broken, is it? 36810, 3682. Yes, this high is broken, so we should be in the uptrend now. That doesn't mean you hit the long straight away, okay? So we have broken this previous high. It might be taking a pullback right now, so we might go down then go up. So let's see if we have any entry signal. The 4 hour we do actually, yeah. Okay, so 4 hour is actually confusing for some people, not for me. Okay, so this was the uptrend. You can see here this was the uptrend, and then the candles are closing above the EMA. Okay, now we have two things which you can't notice maybe, or which you probably can, I don't know. We have double top. Okay, so this high was not broken by this candle, so we have double top. We might go down and continue the pullbacks, because you still see here the pullback is still not done properly. Okay, there you go. The pullback the pullback was only touching 38%. You see this long wick rejecting the EMA has touched the 38% of the pullback. So looks like we are in the strong uptrend in the USD CAD. And but I will not enter long, because this is a double top as well. So we might have to wait for the rejection from the EMA once again, and then blue candle, and then we go long. But that's only I'm talking about as per the current setup. You never know it, because USD CAD, if you compare Canadian against USD, then Canadian is a very weak currency. Okay, so we might continue going up. We might continue going up to 1.3700 without touching the EMA. Okay, but if you want clean entry, perfect entry, then because this is a double top here, we might go down. So wait for the price to come down and touch the EMA. After it rejects the EMA, then wait for the blue candle, and then you go long. Okay, otherwise I would not enter into this trade right now because of two things. First, this rejection confirms that this is the uptrend, but at the same time we have double top. Okay, so I will be waiting for the for more red candles to reject the EMA, and then blue candle, then I will go long. Otherwise you can trade other pairs, euro or GBP, and go and watch my videos. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.